everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day and enjoying your week so far. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm bringing you a Poundland haul with a little bit of difference, guys. It's going to be a spooky Poundland Halloween haul, plus I'm going to share with you some spooky items that I picked up in 4 other stores. So I've also been to Tesco, Home Bargains, the British Heart Foundation charity shop because they had some reduced items in there, and I picked up one item to go with my Halloween costume because I'm going to be dressing up a little bit this year. And I found that item in the Flying Tiger and I just can't wait to show you guys, okay? So if you'd like to see the spooky items, the Halloween items that I picked up, please keep watching. The first item is this, guys. Oh my goodness, can you see? Can you see the detail in this skeleton tea light holder? I just thought this looked so amazing. So you can either put a candle in there or you can use the LED candles from Poundland. I did actually pick some of those up as well, which I'm going to show you. So how amazing is this, guys? Absolutely spooky, stunning. And can you believe, guys, this was just £1 in Poundland? So toning it down a little bit, I also picked up this ceramic pumpkin, and this is a tea light holder as well, okay? And that was just £1. So I thought that looked really good, you know, for Halloween. So got that. Okay, so next up I picked up a couple of masks because I think hubby's going to be dressing up as well, even though he doesn't know it yet. So Oakley and I chose this one for hubby, and it's like very similar to Jason. If you know Jason, that scary character Jason. So I got this one for hubby, and again this was just £1, okay? So to go with that, we've actually got the chainsaw from last year. So hubby's going to have the chainsaw and just wear maybe a black outfit underneath it, you know? So I also picked up this axe, okay? In Poundland, just for £1. And again, I can't believe it, you know, guys. I mean, £1 for this is just absolutely amazing. They've actually added this red paint to it as well to make it look like blood, you know, quite scary. So I've got that as well. Okay, so next up, I think I might have shown you this earlier on in my Poundland haul from before, but I'm just showing you them again because some people might not have seen that video. So you get 20 pumpkin paper plates in Poundland just for £1, and that's how they look there. All of those for £1. Again, it's just absolutely amazing. Okay, so next up in the book section, I was looking for some books for Oakley, like to do a little bit of homework for half term, and I came across this scary book for myself, and it says The Skeleton Cupboard by Tanya Byron. Now I thought this could be like just something to have as a decoration, you know, as a prop, or even just have a good read of it. So it's the top 10 bestsellers, The Skeleton Cupboard, and it says the stories of crisis, sanity and hope. Okay, I just thought it was a nice book anyway to have, so I got that, and that was just £1 as well. Okay, so next up it's another mask that I picked up, and it's this one here. So guess who's going to be wearing this one, guys? Yes, me. I'm going to be wearing this one, you know. Should I try it on now and show you guys? Why not? Why not? Let's do it. Oh wow, it's amazing. And I can't believe this was just £1 as well. So it's got this material at the back, so you can just put it right over your head. It's absolutely fine for my flat hairstyle. I'm going to be wearing this on Halloween. £1 for this, absolutely amazing. Okay, so next up I also picked up this fancy headband. Now I saw that Michelle had this headband, Michelle Osgood, she showed this headband on her Poundland haul quite recently. I saw it and I thought, yes, I have to get one of those. But I actually forgot that I've already got the skeleton mask. But I thought, after wearing the skeleton mask, you know, so I'm not going to be wearing that all day, I can just have this on top of my head like so. And I thought it just looked so amazing. And again, this was just £1 in Poundland as well, so I've got that. So next up I just picked up a couple of treats, which is this family pack size of chocolate fingers. So I've got the larger size pack because we're going to be having little kiddies around, and I know they're going to enjoy these. I mean, I absolutely love these myself. I know Oakley loves them, I know hubby loves them. Who doesn't love Cadbury's chocolate fingers, you know? Absolutely delicious. So I've got these, and this was actually £2 in Poundland, okay, for this larger box. So sticking with the treats, I also picked up some marshmallows, and these are the scary marshmallows. I can just open it and show you actually, because this is our second packet of these. Okay, so you got that one that looks like a pumpkin, and then you've got these ones that look like a little ghost. You know, Oakley absolutely loves marshmallows. I mean, again, who doesn't love marshmallows? I know marshmallow can be a little bit like Marmite. It's either you like it or you don't, but these are just so yummy. So you get 160 grams of marshmallow, and these are just £1 in Poundland, okay? So next up, I also picked up some of these trick or treat eyeballs. Oakley actually spotted these in Poundland, so I had to get them for him, you know. But what I've done with this actually today, earlier on today, I had a hot chocolate from my hot chocolate station. Guess what I did, guys? I put one of these in the hot chocolate and it tastes absolutely delicious. So they are hollow eyeballs. So the wrapper is just the eyeball, okay? The eyeball and the scary detail from the eyeball. But once you unwrap it, you've got a chocolate ball. Okay, you've got a chocolate ball. Doesn't look anything Halloween-y, and it doesn't look scary or anything, but it looks quite inviting for a hot chocolate. Okay, so I just popped this into my hot chocolate, it melted away, and oh my goodness, guys, it was delicious. Okay, so I'm just giving you a little tip there, what you can use on your hot chocolate stations and so on. So yeah, so I got these, and these were at £1 as well. Okay, so next up from the Pep & Co, I picked up some ankle socks, black ankle sock, because the outfit that I'm going to be wearing is more or less what I'm wearing now. I'm going to be adding to it for Halloween. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second. So I needed some black socks to go with the outfit, and these are £2 in Pep & Co Poundland, so I've got those as well. So next up, I'm just going to show you the LED lights. I'll just take one out. So you get a pack of LED lights. These are like the scary, spooky ones. They've got like spider web detail on the edge of them, but to be fair, oh yeah, it's just on the front there. It's just on the front, little spider web detail, you can see that. But it doesn't go all the way around, which is good because you just turn it around and use it any time of the year as well, not just for Halloween. So the batteries are included in this. All you need to do is pull out that little plastic bit and then switch it on. And there you got this nice flickery candlelight, which is perfect for the skeleton. Don't know if you can see that, but it's got a nice little glow. Then you can see that inside there. Perfect for the skeleton tea light holder, and also perfect for this pumpkin as well. Of course, at night you can see it better, so I would add a little clip of the pumpkin and the skeleton flickering away with this little light here. So yeah, so these are a pack of 4 LED lights in Poundland for £1 again, which is absolutely amazing price, you know, so cheap. Oh my goodness, so cheap. So yeah, so I got those. I also picked up another packet of these light up bottle stoppers. In my last Poundland haul, you would have seen that I had one of these and I showed you how it looks in the bottle. I just thought it looked really good, so I thought I'd just get some more of these because I know they're going to go out of stock very quickly with the festive season creeping in. So I got these, and these are, you get 2 in a pack for £1 in Poundland. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in the British Heart Foundation. They had some reduced items, brand new Halloween items for 50p, so I had to get involved. So the first one that I picked up, Poundland also do these, but they're obviously £1. It's actually a glow in the dark skeleton, full length size skeleton, and that was 50p. So next up in the British Heart Foundation, they had these garlands, Halloween garlands. I'm not going to open it all out because it's got quite a lot going on here. But just to give you an idea, you can see it says happy. Yeah, happy. Then it goes all the way across and says Halloween. Okay, happy Halloween, going all the way across. So I thought this was amazing for 50p. I mean, I don't think I can even make this for 50p, you know. I was thinking about making a garland up or DIY and something that I had from before. But this is just really good quality. And it's kind of like a raised glitter, doesn't go everywhere. So yeah, really, really nice. 50p for that. Okay, so next up from the British Heart Foundation were these pack of cups. I've actually got some extra ones downstairs because we were using them a few days ago. You know, Oakley wanted to have his little juice in there, so I said, okay, you can have it in there. Okay, we've got all these cups. I think it was like 20 cups for 50p. They've got "boo" written on them with the bat, you know. Perfect for a little Halloween party. So yeah, got those, British Heart Foundation, brand new, 50p. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the items that I picked up in Tesco. Okay, Tesco again had some really good Halloween items and at good price points as well. So I picked up this warning tape, and I think this was £1 as well. Okay, so you got all of those free to go on with. Just undo it. Let me show you. So that first one says beware. Yeah. And then this one says you dare enter. And then you've got this one that says keep out. Keep out. Haunted. Keep out. So we're going to have lots of fun with that. Okay, so next up I picked up these children's tattoos. So it's got little pumpkins, a little spider web on there. Have a bit of fun with that. I mean, Oakley likes to have one of these on his hand every now and again. I actually purchased 2 packets of these. As you can see, we've cut out some already. You know, they go on really easily and they come off really easy as well. So you've got nothing to worry about with your kids like having a permanent tattoo. They're kids tattoos, so they wash off really easy. A little bit of soap and water and it's gone. Okay, so this was £1 for that set. I also picked up this tattoo set, which is the wound tattoo set. So I thought we can have lots of fun with this, you know. I might even have one of these on as well. You know, that was £1 as well in Tesco. Okay, and then there's one item that I forgot to show you that I picked up in the British Heart Foundation charity shop as well. And these are originally from H&M, and I've got this whole pack of masks for £1. So you know, sometimes we might have the Halloween party, there might be 1 or 2 children, or there might be some adults that want to sort of dress up but they don't want to go all out. So this was a pack of 10 masks, guys. 10 masks for £1. Really good quality. There we go. And I'm instantly Batgirl or Batwoman, you know. So yes, I've got these as well. These were £1 for a pack of 10 of these. Okay, so going back to Tesco, I did pick up Oakley's costume from Tesco, and it's this one here. He absolutely loves it. He spotted this out for himself. Okay, he chose it for himself. I've got it in a size 5 to 6 because they come up quite small. Okay, and it also comes with this mask. And the good thing about this, it actually glows in the dark. So we're going to have lots of fun with this on Halloween night. And this was just £8 in Tesco. Okay, so I got that for Oakley. And this is something that I really wanted to get just to add to my DIY costume, which is more or less what I'm wearing now, okay, and a mask. And what it is are these skeleton braces or suspenders. I thought this was really good idea, you know. So I'm just going to try them on and show you how they look. I think these were £3 in Flying Tiger, I should say. And I just absolutely love them. This is something I can just put on for Halloween and then use it year in, year out. They should work. They are adjustable, of course, suspenders. Now look how gorgeous they are, guys. So I'm now going to attempt to try them on. Okay, so I've got them on. They did take a little bit of adjusting, but I've got them on and I think they look absolutely amazing. So the next items I'm going to show you are from Home Bargains, and these were kindly gifted to me by the lovely Marcia. She gave me these to pass on to Oakley, and I've had them for a while and he just absolutely loves them. He's already filled this one with his Bucker guns, which is actually from Poundland as well. And the other one's just got some little bits and bobs in there. These are absolutely brilliant. They're waterproof as well. These are £1.49 each in Home Bargains. And yeah, they're really nice. Orange bag, and that's a purple one. So that's my last item, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know which of the items was your favourite. Mine has to be the skeleton mask. I just absolutely love all the detail in there. Also, I just absolutely love my braces as well. So putting it all together, this is how I'm going to be looking on Halloween night with my braces. You know, yeah, so it's all a bit of fun, really, isn't it? You know, a little bit of fun for Oakley and his little friends. So yeah, I would say this mask and the braces are my favourite from this haul today. So do let me know which was your favourite. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. I love to have you on board, love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I've got a lot more content coming your way, so stay tuned, guys. And for those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for hitting on that subscribe button. You don't know how much it means to me. I really appreciate all of you around here. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.